Why does your backyard path light look dim even though it's new? The 200FT run uses wires that's too thin, causing voltage drops. What's wrong with using a 620p to 1450R adapter to charge your EV at full speed? The 6-20 plug is only rated for 20A, but the 14-50 outlet expects 50A. You installed a 12 volts 30A toggle switch to control off-road lights. Why use 14 OG leads? 14 OG can safely handle up to 15A, so 30A rating is just for show. You plug a space heater into this 15FT cord and it feels warm. What should you do? Unplug it. Overheating means it's overloaded or undersized. You're running power to a backyard shed. Can you use UF wire under your deck without burying it? No, UF must be buried or protected from physical damage.